we are going to do the second one, that is called Sammohana Gopala Yantram. This Sammohana Gopala Yantram comes like this. In between a star, after that 8-leaved flower and 3 circles around that, and last border columns. In between we will write the name of the person and only one spell that is clean. After that we are going to write Sahasrara Humfat, one letter in one box. And now we are going to add Om Klim Namaha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Karakamala Madhukaraya Sarvajana Sammohanaya Sarva Vigna Vinashaya Sarva Karyaika Sadhanaya Swaha. In here we are going to add again the Maramala mantra. That is like this. Om Aim Klim Namah Kamadevaya Sarvajana Priya Sarvajana Sammohanaya Jvala Jvala Prajvala Prajvala Sarvajanasya Mukharudaya Mamavasham Kurkuru Swaha. And then we are going to add all the basic letters in Sanskrit, Malayalam Sanskrit, the alphabets in Sanskrit, and we are going to write Klim spell in the corners of this yantra, of the diagram. This way we have to create an engine for you and give complete energy for that, energize that and give it full of prayers and of attractions, powers, positive energy. And then if you wear it after making a small omelette, then only it will work up to 100%. Otherwise, if anyone are saying that okay, I'll do your job, you don't worry, I'll do the black spell on you, and if they are asking money and if they are not going to give you anything, then definitely it is not going to work for you. Be careful, don't get cheated. Have a wonderful life. My blessings are there for you always. Vedanta Vairagya Siddharthiyo Janma Karma Pavanam Shubham Shubhamastu Ishta Kamyartha Siddhirastu Sri Krishna Krupa Kataksha Siddhirastu Kamadeva Krupa Kataksha Siddhirastu.